Anyway, as you can see, my face is full of makeup. Pero walang pinagbago. Nget pa rin. So, ano ba yan? Makeup ko, hindi ko masyado gusto. So guys, nandito na naman kami sa kotse. As usual, lagi ako nagiging sa kotse. Well, today is the day that we are going to take a maternity photoshoot. Kaya, we are going to the house of the photographer. It's kind of far. Maybe around 45 minutes drive. Is that 45 minutes drive? Yeah. So, we will see what's gonna happen. Actually, I'm stressed right now. I am not in the mood anymore because I need to rush. I don't like rushing. Hindi ko masyado naayos pagmumukha ko, buhok ko, ganyan. Tapos may mga gamit ako na hindi ko nadala or hindi ko mahanap kasi messy yung bahay. Lahat nasa karton. Kaya ayun. So, bale, bad plan. So, I am going to show you the location later if ever we are going to take a photo outside. So, okay.
Hey, come on. Gleich wieder dann sehen. Okay. So, war das jetzt? Oi. Det var fel. Hier is de tür dat ik het appesteer dus.
Ah ja, vol. Ja, juist op die blok. Ja, echt niet, niet aan de andere kant. Want,
Ja.
guys, tapos na yung photoshoot. Hindi ako masyado nakapagsalita or show sa location or yeah, masyadong busy at nahihiya ako sa photographer na mag-take time out para mag-video. Kaya ayun, nakakapagod kasi gutom. Tapos medyo uminit na. At hindi ko masyado nagawa lahat ng mga gusto ko, pero okay na rin. Magaganda naman yung mga pictures. Hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig.